7 Habits of All Millionaire People 1. Relentless learning. Never stop learning and always seek knowledge to keep ahead. 2. Strategic networking. Understand the power of relationships and surround yourself with mentors and collaborators who inspires you.
Great to meet you. Here's the agenda.
Thank you. Likewise, let's connect. The keynote was spot on. Definitely, we should collaborate.
3. Ruthless focus. Have a crystal clear vision and cut out all distractions. 4. Bold risk-taking. Take calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone. 5. Disciplined finances. Managing your money must be your first priority. Master your finance and build a solid foundation.
This portfolio is showing strong momentum. Let's reallocate to capture this.
6. Relentless work ethic. Be consistent in what you do and give your best. Showing up daily is the key. 7. Genuine persistence. Push through challenges and do not give up easily. Success takes time. Incorporating these 7 key habits into your life can set you on a trajectory towards financial success and personal fulfillment. Subscribe us if you want to learn something new daily.